Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the basics. Know your OS, GPU model, and driver version so you can target the right overlay. Next, disable obvious overlay apps, Discord, GeForce Experience, MSI Afterburner, because they commonly inject GPU data on screen. Once done, open Task Manager and Windows settings so you can quickly stop processes and access notification or privacy panels. Make sure to document any changes you make so you can reverse them if needed, and keep a restore point or backup for safety. You now remove the middle layers that actually draw GPU utilization on screen. Open each app that can overlay, GeForce Experience Share, Steam, Xbox Game Bar, and toggle overlays off. Confirm by closing and reopening the apps. Then stop background monitoring services like Riva Tuner or HW Info and disable their on-screen display options. If an overlay persists, unregister hotkeys, disable startup entries, or temporarily uninstall the plugin responsible. Doing this clears the usual sources, so no process. You finish by rebooting to ensure all changes take effect and then verify the screen is clean. If GPU utilization still appears, boot into safe mode to see whether a third-party tool is injecting it. That isolates the offender. Make sure to check enterprise or remote management utilities, which can show overlays without local permission. If needed, roll back or reinstall GPU drivers. Finally, if a specific app caused it, uninstall that app or reach out to its support. This single troubleshooting tip solves most stubborn.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.